Good morning, everyone. Beautiful morning out today, just a little wet, raining all day yesterday. So we're going to be meeting all the guys from the club today, and we're going to be doing something pretty cool. And we're actually taking a ride with a bunch of other clubs from around the area that we support and they support us. We take a ride all together. So we're going to be doing that today, and then grabbing some food at the American Legion up in Wayne, New Jersey. So it's going to be a great day. Stay tuned. A couple guys from the club, actually 3, got brand new bikes. Sit back, have fun. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers, guys, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. Love you guys. Thanks. All right, we're going to stop here. These are the best bagels on the planet. Nothing better. Hello, can I get 15 bagels, half plain, half everything? And then I need a container of butter, container of cream cheese. You got, look at that, blueberry, egg, whole wheat, poppy, Asiago. Asiago's good. The cheese ones on top, oh my god, are they good. Pumpernickel, marble, everything, garlic, cinnamon raisin, plain. Let me tell you, the cinnamon raisin with butter is on the money. We're asking the question, can 20 bagels, butter and cream cheese fit in the saddlebags of a Harley Davidson with already a drone, camera gear, hat, tire, repair kit with pump, spray wax, rags, all that? Yeah. It does fit. I'll show you later. Going on 7,000 miles already in about not even 5 months, so putting a lot of riding in. I need gas. Might as well stop now. Back tire getting a little squirrely. That's why you got a rev match. You cannot be downshifting without rev matching, otherwise you're gonna lock that back tire up, boys. So just so you guys know, because somebody asked the question, you're allowed to pump your own gas in New Jersey? No, you're not. That's why we have attendants. But I don't see the purpose. You go to other states, you know, you got to pump your own gas, like New York, right? But this is the thing. If I'm in my car, then sure, you're pumping my gas. But when I'm on my motorcycle, nobody's pumping my gas. I'll tell you that right now. Because I'm not going to let you get gas all over my tank. If I do it, that's one thing. But I just don't trust the attendant to be pumping gas on my motorcycle. I don't need him overfilling it, run down the tank, hit the engine, and start a nice big fire here. Because, like, honestly, 9.9 times out of 10, if you're on a motorcycle, you're pumping your own gas. Really, nobody lets the attendant. I've never seen an attendant, to be quite honest with you, I have not ever in New Jersey seen an attendant pump somebody's gas on a motorcycle because they don't want it. So hopefully that answers the question. Like, even I get sometimes, you know, a little overspray or whatever, but I like to shake the tank, as you guys could see. A lot of people just stop, but I don't stop because there's a lot of air in the tank, so I just shake it, and I usually could get like a couple pints more. So you just shake it. There's a lot of air in the tank, and that couple pints, if you're in a pinch, will get you from possibly to the next gas station. Crazy. $24, 5 gallons. That's insane. Here we go. There's going to be a lot of bikes out today. We'll check them all out. We'll go for a nice ride. If any of you guys want to ever come to our club open house, it's the third Saturday every month, 8 p.m. You are more than welcome. Nobody is here yet.
This is how you fit 20 bagels. It does work.
How the fuck you were gonna pull
It
that
fits.
off.
You got the butter and cream cheese, and you got 20 bagels. It does fit in one saddlebag.
Got a nice turnout today. Oh, that thing is nice. Real nice. He's got the bars on it already. What's that, Mr. Jim? American Brotherhood just met up with us at a hack and sack as well. A lot of people. Wow. No, what a nice turnout. Look at this. Clubs from the entire area. Really nice turnout. Wow. Wow, phenomenal turnout. A lot of people. So like I said, this is just all of the clubs that we support, and they support us from the entire area. St. Michael Marshall's right there. American Brotherhood, Wingmen, Untouchables.
Nice. That's what we're hoping for. Yep. It's all about family together. Exactly. Absolutely.
All right, guys, this is fucking awesome. Look around at all the clubs and all the members here. Yeah. This was an idea. I don't know if you guys know, but JT last year came up with the idea, JT from AB, to do this ride. And last year it just didn't work out, but we made it happen this year. So many thanks to American Brotherhood, Freddie, JT, and Alex. Those guys, along with myself, we're the guys that really helped make this happen. I got food. It's gonna be delivered to 174, burgers, dogs, and everything like that. So once we get over there, we're gonna have a grand time.
Nice.
What's up? We got Freddie here, founder, American Brotherhood. Thanks, brother. Pleasure, man. Oh, this guy's the man. This guy's the man. Thanks for coming, man. It's an awesome event. Yep. No? Getting all the clubs, together, support one another. Look how many. Great turnout. Nice seeing you, man. Always a pleasure. You're the man, man.
Amazing turnout. We got easily a couple hundred bikes from the couple local clubs. Fantastic turnout. may seem like a lot of bikes, obviously, but it's, believe it or not, it's a controlled chaos. We share a common bond, not only with the clubs, but obviously with motorcycles. That's what brings us all together. Camaraderie. There's nothing like it.
fun. Nice ride.
Like your bike, man.
Thank you, man. I like yours too.
Thanks, man.
Hell
Nice.
yeah. Appreciate it, man. Super glad.
It's American Legion, Post 174 in Wayne, New Jersey.
over here?
This is Minnie. This is Preston and Erica's.
First thing I'm gonna think about? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What kind of dog is it?
Dachshund Bloodhound. Dachshund
My
Bloodhound.
goodness, how cute.
She's full grown.
Just like America.
Cutie.
They're all coming over here.
Meadowlands MC in the building today. Got Strength and Honor.
Wait, that baby's coming? Grandkid coming.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah. Oh, no, I'll go talk to Jason.
Look at these guys. Oh, yeah. Oh,
They're nice bars. They're comfortable too. They're just like T-bars.
Yeah, no. I thought it looked cool, but then I was like, I don't know. Don't get that.
And that's a wrap, guys. Back in the garage. Time for some family time. It was a great ride. Hope you guys enjoyed that because it's a lot of fun when we go out on a ride with the club. And it was an exceptional day today because our brothers from the surrounding clubs, which we support one another. So big shout out to Fourth Watch, Mother, and Boardwalk. Huge shout out to the Untouchables, American Brotherhood, Blue Knights 17, St. Michael's Marshals, Meadowlands, Strength and Honor, Wingmen, and the American Legion Post 174. Huge shout out to you guys. Thanks, brothers. Hope to do this again. This was a great day, great event. It was just a really good day to obviously see all the guys ride together. We're always at each other's open houses to support each other's clubs and stuff. But this was a great day because we actually got out and enjoyed the day, broke some bread, so to speak, ate, and took a nice, beautiful 80-mile ride. So that's what it's all about, guys. So if you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Man, the season has just begun, and I'm telling you guys now, there is some huge, huge stuff happening. So stay tuned. See you later. Thanks a lot.